Good morning, good afternoon. This is Tony Self, your tech guru to help small business owners, entrepreneurs, and real estate agents understand how to use technology in their business. So today's topic is something I cover on just a very simple thing, but it actually is very powerful, and that's what browser to use and actually look on the internet to be safe. The browsers that come installed on different computers are fine, depending upon what platform you're utilizing. Say Windows will have their own browser-based system. If you have Apple, you're going to have the Safari system. And I have those installed, and I do recommend keeping them installed because sometimes these other browsers, they're very secure, and you may need to go to the other ones. But I, about 90% of the time, utilize this very secure browser, totally free, and it's called Brave. So this is the Brave browser. I'm actually in it right now. And you can see, you can download it, and it actually runs with the Chrome extension. So the Google Chrome extension actually works pretty well. And what's cool is it gives you privacy. So a lot of times you'll see the little lion here, and this lion will protect me from getting tracking on the internet, cookies and those kind of things. And it's just a very secure browser. So if you can look here, this is the online privacy by default. And these are all the browsers that are out there. You got your Brave, which is the one I'm using, the Chrome browser, DuckDuckGo, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Safari. Brave is basically green all the way through. It protects you from invasive ads. They are blocked. You can allow them or not. Sometimes you have to in some sites, but they're blocked. Cross-site trackers are blocked. Third-party cookies tracking are blocked. Fingerprint blocked, cookieless trackers. Malware and phishing protection. This is Google Safe Browsing, malware phishing protection from crowdsourced lists, and they have a table down below, as well as protection against bounce tracking and an anonymized network routing Tor mode. So you have some pretty cool features. Again, it's all free, and if you haven't tried it out, I encourage you. You always should have a few browsers installed on your computer. And my primary browsing one is using Brave. And I like it because I was using Chrome beforehand. And I do like Chrome. And all my extensions from Chrome work in Brave. So it's like using Chrome, but it's like X better. So that's my tip. This is Tony Self saying thank you for watching. I know it was a real quick one. I do appreciate you coming to the channel. Also, if you could help me out, please subscribe, provide some comments down below, send me an email, send me some social media, give me some other topics so I can make sure to help get you on using technology because as business owners, we're very, very busy. All right, Tony Self signing off. Have a great evening, a great day, and we'll chat very soon. See y'all later. Bye-bye.